Hey everybody, Cody here at AutoWorks again. So today we got a older, I don't know what year it is just yet, but it has issues of crank, no start. So earlier I ended up turning the motor just to make sure that the engine wasn't locked up. So the next thing to do is start looking into the starter. We are getting a clicking noise, but it doesn't sound like it's spinning right at the moment. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a few smacks, do a little diagnosis with that, and then see if we can get any life back in this big old beast here. But if you guys, older vehicles, new vehicles, bring them down. We'll take care of you guys. Repairs, replace, let us know. We'll take care of you here at AutoWorks.